Okay, congratulations to all of you who have gone ahead with our student package. Uh, this video is to help you create your own WordPress site. Okay, I will show you how to log into your control panel. Some of you might be facing some issues, so we just wanted to make sure nobody faces any kind of issues. So we created this video. So I'm going to show you how to log into your control panel, then install WordPress and proceed further from there on. Okay, before proceeding, let me tell you one thing that you might have received a message in your WhatsApp, and that message contains few things like your username and password and two URLs. Okay, you can use any one of those URLs to log into your control panel. Now you might face a HTTPS error, but no issues. You can simply say proceed further and go ahead with it. So let me go ahead and show you how to log into your control panel. Okay, once you proceed further to your control panel, this is the window you will get, CWP control web panel. Okay, type the username and password that were given in your message, click login. It will take few moments to log in. You have to be a little bit patient. Okay, once it logs in, you will have a totally different control panel. Okay, the one that I showed you during the class was completely different, and this one is completely different. That is because every provider will have his or her own control panel. So this service provider has given us this kind of control panel, and it's really good and easy because it is showing lots of statistics in single place. Okay, so what you can do is to install your WordPress installation, just go to add-ons, click on WordPress. It will show you your WordPress installations in one place. Okay, now that we don't have any WordPress installations because my website, I have deleted my website too, just to help you guys. Okay, legalconsultants.in. Now as you see, it is showing forbidden message. Okay, so let's proceed further and install WordPress on legalconsultants.in domain. Okay, now remove all of these things. Okay, don't put anything here. Make sure that this particular box is empty. In directory, this particular box should be empty, otherwise your website will not open directly. You may get this kind of error. Okay, so make sure this is done. Then keep these two as it is, don't make any changes. Click on generate random password. Okay, but since I already have lots of other websites and this will create problems to me, because I maintain a database of all these websites, so I'm just going ahead and renaming it. But you do not rename anything. Okay, please don't make any changes in these two fields. Okay, hold on a second, let me just go ahead and make changes according to me. I will just click on install. You just make sure that you don't make any changes in these two. Click on this. Okay, and click on install. You will get two confirmation messages. Click continue on both of them. Wait for a couple of seconds, and here you are. Okay, successfully completed. Now just click on the URL, or you can just go to your website and click refresh. Okay, it says error establishing database connection. You will not get this message. I'm getting this message because I have tried multiple times and I already created a website before. Okay, I just renamed it. That is the reason I was asking you not to make changes in those two fields. Okay, since I made changes, I will have to make changes in the backend also. I'm pausing the video and I'll come back when I'm done with that. Okay folks, just to avoid the confusions, I have closed all other windows. Now what I'll do is I'll just click here. It will open the website where it has installed the WordPress, and you should get this particular window. Okay, just click continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you for site name. I will give my site name as Regal Consultants. Okay, username, I'll just hide this password. Okay, and I'm selecting my existing username and password. Give the username and password whatever you want here. Okay, but make sure you remember this, because if you forget about this, then you will forget, you will not be able to log into your website. So don't forget about username and password. Don't forget this username and password. Whatever username and password you're giving here, make sure you remember it. Okay, after that is done, type your email ID here. I'm putting my email ID, contact at. Okay, then I'll just click on install. Once that is done, finish. I'm just logging into my website. Okay, or if you want to see, you can see regalconsultants.in. This is your website. Now what if you want to log into WordPress, not the control panel? Okay, control panel part is done. Now once you want to log into WordPress after its installation, type /wp-admin after your website name. Okay, it will present you with this username and password window. You remember that username password that we gave in the previous tab? Just type that username and password here, click on login. You will be able to log into your WordPress installation. This is your WordPress dashboard. From here, you will continue with the WordPress customizations, your website customization, and other steps. Okay, so that's how you log into your control panel and install your WordPress. Okay, guys, thank you very much.